Guys, I wonder if you can hear the wind. It's a very windy day on Paradise Acres, but what I wanted to show you guys is the Coody by RBM. This thing is withstanding the wind like nobody's business. It has the rain fly on, and you can see how the wind is moving the rain fly. Look at that, you guys can see that. However, the tent is not moving, not one bit. You can see how windy everything is blowing. Just wanted to share how awesome this Coody by RBM is. More videos to come about this camping experience that we are going to be doing. We are literally just setting up now. And as I just showed you guys how windy it is, look at the sun shining through the clouds, trying to come out. But the star of the show is this Coody. Nothing is moving. The tent is as stable. More to come, guys. An aerial view, guys. Look at that wind.